That didn't turn out that well. P is supposed to be steering the thingy when I drive. Floyd, E. Ugh, shit. Ugh. What's the point of a wheel? Oh shit, we're stuck. Ugh, somebody's gotta push us out. Come on guys, help. There's no candy over here. Ew, with this stinky sock. Hell, I don't need those two to drive. I can do it myself.